Are you in the market for the best body camera in 2025? Whether you're looking for extra security, reliable personal protection, or just a convenient way to capture life's moments hands-free, we've done the hard work for you. After testing and comparing the top wearable cameras this year, we've narrowed down the best of the best. So stick around to find out which one truly stands out. And while you're here, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments which body cam you choose. Number 1, the Boblov M7 is a strong choice for most users, provided you're on Windows. Unfortunately, it's not compatible with Mac systems, so Mac users might want to skip this one. That said, it's a well-built, reasonably priced camera packed with useful features. It uses modern USB-C charging and includes GPS tracking, which adds context to your recordings. One standout detail is its rotatable lens, which allows you to adjust the angle independently of how the camera is worn or mounted. That makes it versatile for different setups, whether clipped to your body or placed on a surface. It also includes a clear color screen and intuitive controls that make playback and menu navigation easy. For Windows users, it's a great value. Number 2, Transcend Drive Pro Body 30. The Drive Pro Body 30 by Transcend isn't the cheapest, but it's built like a tank. With an IP67 rating and military-grade durability, it's ideal for outdoor professionals or anyone needing something tough. It features Wi-Fi connectivity, a wide 130-degree field of view, and the ability to take snapshots while recording full HD video. The fixed lens, built-in mic, and 12-hour battery life, with Wi-Fi off, make it reliable on long shifts. You get 64 GB of internal storage, and 4 infrared LEDs for low-light recording. It's easy to operate with one-touch control, but the beeping and recording light might not be ideal for covert recording. Some users reported that battery life can drop if Wi-Fi is left on, so keep that in mind. Number 3, Insta360 Go 3S. If you're a content creator, meet your new favorite tool, the Insta360 Go 3S. This ultra-compact device punches well above its weight, capturing stunning 4K video in daylight. Think of it as an action camera split in two, a tiny thumb-sized camera that pops out of its charging pod and records independently for about 30 minutes. The pod holds the controls and the touchscreen, and it charges the camera like a set of AirPods. It even supports Apple's Find My feature if you misplace it. With magnetic mounting, you can wear it on your chest with the included pendant. It's more discreet than most lab mics. Thanks to its 6-axis gyroscope, footage is buttery smooth. While not suited for serious surveillance, it's a dream for vlogs, adventures, or stylish POV content. Number 4, DJI Action 2. DJI's Action 2 might not be marketed as a body cam, but don't let that fool you. Its compact form and powerful magnet mounts make it perfect for point-of-view shooting. Even though it's been out for a while and DJI has moved on to the Osmo Action 5 Pro, the Action 2 still holds its own, especially now that it comes with 128 GB of built-in storage. This modular design makes it incredibly flexible. You can magnetically attach it under a t-shirt or to a helmet for hands-free footage. Its performance and sharp video are still competitive in 2025. Just keep in mind, DJI has pulled the Mimo app from Google Play, which limits control options for Android users. Still, it's a solid pick for anyone wanting a discreet, wearable camera with excellent video. Number 5, Boblov M5 and M5 Pro. Rounding out our list is the Boblov M5 and its upgraded sibling, the M5 Pro. These models are tried-and-true body cams with rugged designs, available with GPS and various storage options. They come with a range of mounts, clips, suction cups, and more, making them adaptable for everything from personal security to dash cam use. The body feels tough and solid, and while we didn't throw it off a cliff, it's rated to survive 2-meter drops. Battery life is strong, easily lasting a full shift, and the built-in display is a welcome addition. Controls are simple and intuitive, with no weird menus or joysticks to fuss with. The night vision is powerful enough to get clear footage even in low light. If you need a dependable, all-around body cam, the M5 series is a smart choice.